So, what are you waiting for? Join Evision, join job.
It was the outstanding experience and wonderful training journey to help me get palace in good company and groom career in IT sector. Thank you for all staff member here to help me to career in IT sector. I am Rohit Kumar Prajapati. I am from Hazaribagh, Jharkhand. I have done BCA from Indira Gandhi National Open University in 2011. Now I get want to job in IT sector, so now I join Evision through online classes and then provide here basic fundamental networking and window troubleshooting and window installation and Microsoft Outlook. Now here good understanding here, and now get I am selected for Ampersand group company. My salary offer 2.5 to LPA, and here communication improve and online mock test conducted and group discussion. So now good in IT sector job, then no anyone join Evision. Thank you Evision. Thank you.
So, what are you waiting for? Join Evision, join job.